Welcome to Tennessee. After moving almost 1,000 miles from Texas, I'm ready to call Eastern Tennessee my new home. Eager to start exploring, subscribe to follow along on this new journey to see everything this amazing region has to offer. I'm Laura, and this is my story. I'm challenging myself on new hiking trails to get more fit, while slowly picking up backpacking and camping skills for my ultimate goal of completing a thru hike. Subscribe and join me on my next adventure. Literally just moved here from Texas 2 days ago. To be able to call this home now is unbelievable. We're on our way to go hiking and we're gonna try to find a waterfall. All right, so we just got on top of the mountain and it's an amazing view. Got it all to ourselves now. And it's the first day that the weather's been clear. So this is the start of our very first hike, bless you, our very first hike in Tennessee. I'm so excited to be here. I feel like this is a really good trail for us to start on. It is 1.5 miles in, 1.5 miles out to, I think, a 20-foot waterfall called Benton Falls. We did have to pay the $3 day pass. And we are on our way. The first thing that Kyle and I both thought of whenever we were driving up here was like looking in all of the trees to see if we could see a bear. It's been maybe like 10 years since I've seen a bear. Let me know if you want to hear that story. I've actually seen 3 bears. One of the bears actually had cubs. So let me know if you want to hear that story or not. That was pretty exciting. But on the drive up here, like, we kept looking in the trees, expecting to see a bear. They have black bears here, and they're pretty skittish. The only thing that makes me nervous is because we have Zoe with us, so I'm not sure how she would react. But definitely try to keep my eyes open for it. One of the biggest differences that I have noticed on this trail versus the Texas trails that we're pretty much used to at this point is that this is not rocky. It's kind of sandy, actually. It's been a while since I've been on a trail, to be honest. It was because I've been just really focused on the move. I'm really hoping to start exploring more in the area, wanting to see more waterfalls. The plan is to maybe get some kayaks. There's so much to do here, and literally like the National Forest is our backyard, so really want to take advantage of this and bring you guys along for the ride. Hopefully you like Tennessee as much as we're liking Tennessee so far. I went to take a drone shot of the waterfall, and it was a beautiful shot. It really was. I was so proud of it, so excited. I did a 360 and looked around before I decided to back up. It didn't see anything. It was just moving faster than I thought it was. It ran into a low hanging branch. I mean, honestly, it was just like a low hanging twig. It was so thin, but it caught the propellers and I heard it going, and I tried to like move it away as soon as I could, but it fell, and it fell right into the water. You know, it is what it is. I did get it back. It was on top of the water and water was rushing over it. Puts a damper on the first hike of the summer. I'll let you know what happens with a drone. I'll go home and put in rice and take it from there. Well, it didn't, yeah, it's still alive. I can see its tongue. It didn't take us long to see our first snake. Yeah, it's just, I think, a rat snake. It was its tail.
Really? Is it a rattler?
No, it doesn't have a rattle. Probably first snake I've seen in the wild in 3 years or something like that. I think it's a rat snake. I don't think those are poisonous. He had a skinny head. If you know what kind of snake that is, please let me know. I'm curious because I have no idea. One of the biggest differences is